prepare our minds for the Lord's Supper, I'd like to read Galatians 4, verses 4 through 7. While you're turning there, is that not it's becoming one of my favorite songs, How Deep the Father's Love. And you think about just the title alone, how deep. It's just immeasurable. All that he has done for us. And here's another that I was reading over and I'd never paid attention to it until something in my life had changed. Galatians 4, verse 4 through 7. But when the fullness of time had come and God sent forth his Son, born of a woman, born under the law, to redeem those who were under the law, that he might receive the adoption of sons. And because you are sons, God has sent forth the Spirit of his Son into your hearts, crying out, Abba, Father. Therefore, you are no longer slaves, but a son. And if a son, then an heir of God through Christ. I can't express it enough that me and Tracy, we're just a little bit smitten. Just this past summer, my daughter and son-in-law adopted a little girl. It was a great sacrifice was given. I can't think of a greater sacrifice than giving up your child and trusting someone else to raise that child. When you go through an adoption process, the woman has chosen adoption. She's given so many families to choose who she wants her child to go to. In our case, in Molly and Austin's case, I believe there's 15 families. She chose the family. Luke 1, 26 through 30, God chose Mary and Joseph. Back in Galatians 4, adoption freed us all from slavery. That slavery is sin. We're not blood related to God. We're all adopted, which makes the crucifixion the greatest sacrifice of all. Christ died so that God's adopted children could have a home with him. Can't imagine the pain and the sacrifice, heartache. A woman goes into a hospital and then she gives an incredible sacrifice and leaves without that child. I cannot put that into words. And then God, the Father, did it twice. He gave Christ to Mary and Joseph, and then he gave Christ to the cross. Let's go to God in prayer.